He say even they do baby shower, they as in they happy say man in don't be father. Not until the girl come begin they use the mat, take they vomit rubbish say man the pikin not be own. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? When I even see the picture of the girl, I say this one not be girl now. This one supposed to be the primary school now. What is this one they do for abroad? Not to talk of say you want be mama. This one a pikin, baby born baby. What did this one know? This one suppose don't know as bola till they enter the male hole. If not be say man. Hi guys, you're welcome back to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May your she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from a point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my adorable brothers and sisters. To my gallant, beautiful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer, thank you very much. May the good spirit bless and strengthen you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for your correction, your maturity. See, on a positive energy. Now it just they make me just the subbubble. I said tomorrow, not day. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want us to share with you now the ogbonga hot topic when I come across for social media. Why I decide to come share with you now. Maybe some of you now go don't first see him, it no matter. Even though I don't first see him, as long as I never see him for a year, more always they know say it never completes. What be this thing I want to talk about? Now one babe now cry come out for social media. Can't drag her husband for social media. Say her husband allegedly they put Ebola for 9 months old baby mouth. I say Hije, where all this one? What did they happen? Wetin dey happen? So now so we just the day, the time where camera not day. Now so all these things just say they play for people, family where people don't know. People they see people they talk say man, what is this world turning into? Boof, it don't fair day. It day just that you never hear him. It just day. You know how many things like this family they keep? You know my brothers and sisters. He said first time. He said when you first see her, say they put the John Thomas for the small pikin mat. She come wanna make you not do him again. Say man, that kind of thing not like her. As a matter of fact, he said they even laugh over him. She just look and say nah, that's normal. Second time he do him. He say he not still talk. He still quarrel small. I don't know some people they take something. No. He said third time the man just lock door so bankan. Oh Jesus, may not blessing and me they talk and make I share the video with you now and some comments of my wonderful brothers and sisters. What did they got to talk for this matter, their reaction. Mona for still know what it take place for the junction where my fuel for finish. Please bear with me as I share the video and the comments with you guys. I'll be back.
I came out from my room. My husband was lying down naked on the chair, black chair. And my baby was beside him, pulling his manhood. I was like, babe, I don't like this kind of thing. Don't allow Onyeka touch your manhood. You are his father. Please don't allow him touch your manhood. And he was like, I just carried my baby and we actually laughed over it. It happened again the second time in that same week, of which I said the same thing. I said, please, I don't like Onyeka touching your manhood. The first one we laughed over it, but the second one I was not happy. So the third time he came back from where he went to, we laughed. He went into the house, the room, pulled his dress, came out, carried my son. This time he took my boy into the baby's room. Normally we lie down very straight, like straight on the bed, but this time he crossed the bed, turned his whatever up. locked the two doors. And before I opened this one, everything. But I was fast. I opened this one, and I met my son pulling to his mouth. I was mad. The fourth time, he locked just his room door. He did not lock the entrance door to the passage of the room. I opened the door. I met him lying down with one side of his body, using one hand to shake. I'm pulling my son was calling away, pulling my son back with the other hand. And as I opened the door and saw that the next thing he said was sup.
All right, my adorable brothers and sisters, you welcome back to my universe. I wanna see that short clip now. I wanna reason that I don't know who. I don't know. Now this one make me the talk say, man, how well do you know your husband, my ladies? My ladies, where just they shout, big. God hates gay. God not like gay. God this. God, una know una husband. Una truly know una husband. See this man now, allegedly, now the wife now talk on, not be me talk on, as hearing from the woman mouth just now. Now she talking by herself. I believe, say man, before this woman can come out for social media, can talk she don't get her up to her head. Una understand? With all due respect to each and every one of you. She said the baby na boy. Who know whether this man nyashing things? Where the woman don't know. This one a question where we women go to ask ourselves: do we really know the man where we say we marry? Do we really know our husband? So free they throw first stone on my sister. May not come be safe. You won't come out tomorrow. You come that's you go to find where you want to hide your head. Be careful. Be careful. And my beautiful women out there, make una beg. Mona use this one to learn. I know they talk say mo not trust our husband, but prevention is better than cure. Una not understand. God go bless this babe for being vigilant. She open her eye for ground well. If to say na some women and say, hey, this pikin, he like his papa, he know they come off for where papa dey. He and his papa na 5 and 6. He and his papa na this na that. He go just throw away eye. His papa will begin the wire what he not supposed wire. Una not understand. Many day like that, God will bless this girl for being vigilant. Where she take pour her eye for ground, like kudos to her. Please, my women, please, my mothers, I beg una, my aunties out there, Mona dey vigilant. I not say Mona not trust her husband. I just the only the tell una say, Mona just dey careful. Mona just dey careful. All the some women go they say their husband they give their children breast make it suck. What's that now? What's that? Where that one from come? They come they say if the baby they suck your papa breast, your mama no will fit carry and come out. The baby go they cry anywhere where they go want go meet your papa. Like seriously, una know what you want go meet your papa for? Una truly know what they find papa for that pikin. Una know what they find papa for. Me wanna imagine me will get breast, me will get milk for my own way they come out. You know they cry for my own, they cry for a papa own. Where spits no they come out inside. I know they talk say now all fathers they do that thing. No, I just they say women stop that thing. No, they let una husband, una daddy, they give small pikin breast. Mona stop am. Men breast not be for children. If man they look for one sucky breast, make it give you, may you suck am. Suck am where when if I put straw, take suck am, not be that pikin own. Now your own be the pikin own. Mona stop am. Mona stop am. Use God beg una. Because many children dey now, man or woman, male child, female child, they we get psychological problem right now where their papa don't do what they're not supposed to do it, but they can't just come out to say it because many they shame, many they fear me and you. I want to take on them. They can't just say it out. They no fit to come out. Our pikin go they say no say papa say because saying they sucky breast. Una know wetin dey happen. Una know wetin dey happen. I know they talk say na all fathers they do am, but believe me you, 50% of those innocent children, they don't know. They just feel say na normal. Papa from breast come out, he go carry and go down as he mat the sweet for breast, maybe go still sweet for down. From down, he open and carry and enter the normal place. Please, my ladies, be vigilant. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you all in the name of whatever you believe. To be a parent, to be a mother, to be a mother or to be a father, don't be thing. Some people just they look and say not to just sleep with man, get belle, born, carry pikin, come life, come buy pampers. No, it's bigger than that. So now big responsibility to to take care of another human being is a big responsibility. You need to sacrifice everything where you get to give that life where you bring on life. So please, my people, mona not they use gift where God give una till they play caricature. I beg una in the name of God. I beg una in the name of anything una believe. I beg una. Children are just two children. We don't know what some papa or some mama they do to them. They just feel saying a normal. Una not understand. So please, all I'm saying is just that you people should be careful. I beg you. I beg you, I beg you, I beg you. I hope you just understand. Then another one comes to fall out, my brothers and sisters. This Wizkid first baby mama, where they say get accident, the motor scatter, many people come they like talk put, come they tell her sorry, some come say they batch am, say now that small motor he gets, say this, say that. She can't come and she can't respond to all her haters like she give them as they supposed to give them. Many people just feel say because say she be Wizkid baby mama, in fact now Dangote pikin she just automatically come become, you understand? So she respond to them. I will share am with you now. For those of you we never see am, una no worry, even though I don't see am, I will see am again. Then another cocoa wey consider inside this matter, so una just see this is small son, so this is Amson Prince. So some old cargos, some women wey don retire, wey men don reject, with all due respect, that they DM this small pikin, that they ask this small pikin silly questions. They even they go as far to send this small pikin their useless breasts. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? The mama come out for social media, say may they beg, may they stop am. Say her pikin are just 9 years old. If they want person wey want look their breasts, may they go meet their age mates. Because say they just sitting and Wizkid pikin, they feel say man, all the money where Wizkid they want, where they get, now this is son account dey. Women, some women shall not they useless so. Some women una they very dumb. Una live una brain. Una match una brain for under una slippers. Don't be saying a lie. Don't be saying a lie. They will do this kind of thing to una children. They will do it to una children. The woman is even polite, so can't even warn una. If not me, I will take down a picture, take una number, go give her to police. Go give her to police. I'll make sure una spend like maximum 6 months for prison. Mona tell no say man, una no need to disturb or bully my son. How dare you now? 9 years old pikin. 9 years old pikin, you dare send your nude picture to Ram? You the crazy? You the mad? Na person do you? I been in fact, no be say devil they use you. You na devil. You be devil. What did they worry some women now? Why not just be this gold digger like this? So to now go dig small pikin where water never ever come out for him nose. Where water never dry for him nose, now go dig am because una hear say na Wizkid son. Una hear say that they dash the Wizkid money. Not be hard work they do. Una know before person come release one music, una know how many brain crack. Una dey craze. Eh? Wanna make some people come they insult women. What's wrong with you people now? What's wrong with you people? Eh? You don't want to work. You don't want to suffer. You don't want to suffer. Who want to suffer for you? Who be your slave? Where you carry come this world, make come suffer for you. Make you just hold your breast, hold your kpekus for hand. You don't want work. May one person go they follow inside son, they get sleepless nights, go they walk your ass out, come they give you say because say you carry diamond kpekus. You wear. Please guys, bear with me. Let me share a video with you. The one where it say attack people where come they want make him buy expensive car, and the one where say one all those ashawo kobo where they DM his son. He say if they try him again, she no go dey nice like this again. She will publish their picture since they want publicity. She will publish their picture and their numbers for social media. Please, my sister, do I beg you. In fact, you even too nice to come even fair warn them. you too nice. And make una beg, make una not talk and una not write am for here or anywhere. Use God beg una with all due respect. Say man, why small pikin, why pikin of 9 years go they use Instagram or go they use internet? Abeg. We not there for our grandpapa age again. Una here, we not there for our grandpapa age again. More talk to all these gold diggers, all these people will not get sense, all these people will lost their sense for heaven before they come this earth. More talk to them to back up for children body instead of us to they blame children. We just be children. We not here now saying that the pikin go they find them. Now the adults come they find 9 years old pikin. So please, we should sometimes know what we are saying with all due respect. Please bear with me. Let me share a video with you guys. I'll be back.
For those of you that the car that I drive is annoying you, please send me money. Let me buy the one you want, okay? It's pinned. Transfer the money to me. I'm receiving it. Maybe you want me to drive Benz. Well, once the money is complete, buy. I'm going to buy Benz. You are very stupid. You that you're asking me for why I'm driving Mosu. What are you driving? Fool. Idiot. Later tomorrow, if I post G-Wagon, it's you that open your mouth and be saying that it's sugar daddy Oloshi. Now I bought what my whole salary can afford. You are there shouting, why am I? Don't let me change it for you in this new year. You know I just had accident. Some of my brain hits the car. So I have a good excuse to misbehave tonight. Don't fall in that trap. Oh. For those of you that were expecting them to bandage up of my face, shame. My son is only 9 years old, and the kind of DMs he gets from is madness, like from grown women. Is it that men has finished in the world? Is 9-year-old people will be sending nude, sending breast? 9 years old. Hey Jesus! People should stop it, though. Stop it, because if you don't stop it, I will actually call you out. I will actually screenshot your page, screenshot your nude, and post it on the story. Maybe you want people to see that your body is sexy. Let's help you spread the word so people will see your sexy body. Tori ko ye mi, I'm 9 years old. Kilofef is nude shit. I don't understand. This is the final warning. That's why I use this page to come and warn you. Stop sending my son nude. He is 9 years old. 9. If you want to shoot your shot with people that are your age mates.
Alright, welcome back to my universe. I'm not reading that a message. I'm not reading the girls where they send this small pikin. Jesus Christ, I don't feel imagine and say one girl dey somewhere, one adult dey somewhere. We go with our right senses. Any asha don't be right senses. They say for Nigeria, say more than 40 million get mental problem. So I can understand. I just pray God remove the bad spirit, the evil spirit wey possess that human body for their life. Now waiting, I just pray for them because I no fit imagine and say na their right senses they say they do this kind of thing. I no fit. Honestly, I no fit. I not just fit. What will it profit a man when you gain this whole world and loses your soul? What will una go gain? How many people na don see say he comot for this world where they bury money? How many people na don see say man he too get money? They come bury am with all the Brazilian hair we get. Abi what they call the one with the rain so bone straight, abi bow straight, abi big straight. No me interessa. How many na don see say they bury with? How many? Many years ago, the ones where they bury with gold, go dig their grave out. The gold still they dead. They don't decay. So why you they fool yourself now? I beg you, my adorable brothers and sisters, may I share with you now the last but not the least, the one where you see they cast social media right now. Now one Nigeria guy in cry come out for social media say man, oh Jesus Christ, this person I will see. Say man, he was the father of another person pikin, or he don't know. Say now another person I get the pikin. Say the girl can't give him the belle. Say the belle na your own. Say he can't the wire the belle like in the face say na your own. poor pikin, in the tonton everything inside, so he no know. He say even they do baby shower, they as in they happy say man, he don't be father. Not until the girl come begin they use the mat, take the vomit rubbish say man, the pikin not be him own. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? When I even see the picture of the girl, I say this one won't be girl now. This one supposed to be the primary school now. What is this one they do for abroad? Not to talk of say you want be mama. This one a pikin, baby born baby. What did this one know? This one suppose don't know as bolate they enter the mayhole. If not be say man, everybody they look for too much money. Everybody want day for where they never even suppose they. On a normal ground, what it concern this girl right now concern abroad. Not to talk of to come get pikin, not to talk of say to go carry another person pikin, come give another person. If to say not be as me and you don't take corrupt, me and you don't take the like one get past ourselves, one do pass ourselves with all due respect. What did this one know? Mona look the left eye with all due respect. She not supposed this school. She not supposed this school. Just because say man they want get document for Europe with all due respect. You want get document for Europe, can't use your pikin. They do whether na collateral that they call them, I don't know. Can't use your pikin. Like they do a stage. Your pikin can't be your document. Now because of document, not many of them they born. Because of document, and you say that they take you as slave, you still born another small slave for them. Una not they use una sense, una not they wise. Una not they wise, una never see person where they deport pikin. Una not they wise. Una go do another person country, una no go get documents. Una pikin no go get documents. The pikin say una, he cry for una neck, una carry the con this life. What did they worry some guests? If I just see some guests, in fact, I just the verse. I just carry just the verse. My verse go just the triple. What did they worry una? What did they worry una? Now only pikin they say they get document for this abroad. We wanna go they carry another person pikin, go they give another person, come they let another man, they pour inside on innocent pikin. Are you people crazy? Are you people crazy? Where una they run they go? Where una they run they go? They pursue una. How many of una they do competition? How many of una? Mona sit down, Mona ask una self that question. I know so una go provoke. Mona provoke. See, Mona you provoke. If una don't provoke finish, Mona sit down, ask una self one good question. Pikin wanna carry on this life really need to suffer all these things what they make them suffer. Mona ask una self. You go just there. You no go get 10 euro to take buy wetin dey hungry your pikin, wetin dey hungry your pikin, food wey dey hungry your pikin, you no fit see money take buy for am. That one na life. That one na life. Una go see person wey go fit buy for their pikin, una begin dey gossip them. All this idare wey dey bonbon everywhere, so they can gossip. They can gossip. They go gossip you forget their body, forget wetin carry them come abroad. Children wey suppose dey school. And now they go tell you say they no pass so. You dare not advise them. You dare not advise them. They'll tell you say you don't know anything. If you don't fall for their head, they'll come they call you sister. Come they look for advice, they come meet you. When they tell them, say, girl, don't be so. Girl, focus. Babe, go school. Babe, stay for Caritas. No, you want to stay with Black Boy. You want to go camp with Black Boy. You want to go camp with Black Boy. You want to from Black Boy house, they go Black Boy house. You want to use Black Boy stay, they walk. Not be walking and they call them. See disgrace where you don't bring common yourself now. See disgrace. I pity for that innocent pikin. Honestly. I pity for that baby. I just pity for them. I pity for the way they take pikin like they take God's blessing for granted. You just know say pikin not be guy own. You still open leg, make the guy the enter raw like that. You know where this girl, you know your way. You know your way at all. You dey sick. They'll still collect this kind of pikin for your hand, now you see they cry. Hey, Italian government, that carry my pikin. American government, that carry my pikin. Which pikin? Which pikin? Which pikin? Pikin when you no fit give life, when you no get life. You get life when you want give person life. You get life when you want give person life. Sometimes some of my sisters not just need to beg, they just need that raw. Because when you they beg them, go bless them, man. You they tell them say they're too day. If you they beg them, say I beg, mona pipe low, mona go school, mona know na safe. You go bless say there be one kind ogidigan. And this one are people who be say man, they never get free 5 euro to take buy their own pampers. Whether na pampers that they call them, whether na pad that they call them, I don't know. They don't get their free 5 euro. If government not give them, they don't have. If they not go do racket with another black boy, they not fit eat Africa food. You will never fit eat Africa food. You will never figure Jesus Christ. Why you go carry pikin come this life on suffer? Why? Not to talk of say you even carry the pikin, you not even know get the belly. You go give another person. Please bear with me before this thing come even they make me the one lose them. I just me when up they not give the pikin or say as I the verse, not to talk of the guy. Just imagine they do baby shower for another person pikin. They happy even you go hospital the day when you born. Say you know where again this girl, you know your way. You know your way, not be lie. You know your way. May they deport you, may they go give you a go for Nigeria, may your brain take correct. You know where. You deserve, may that heavy song beat you again for Nigeria, may your sense correct. Your sense not correct. Please bear with me. Let me share this my lovely brother video with you guys. I wanna hear from the reliable source. I will be back.
Happy New Year to everyone. I come with peace. I will go with peace in Jesus' name. Amen. Man, I'm wasting my time too much. Now remember me, I see boy where that guy carry concert away baby things. That is 2020. Understand? Confession don't type that guy body say pikin. Why they suffer put, why they stress put, say not me get the pikin. You understand? This guy go carry belly for another man. Carry belly finish. He carry the belly come for me, say now me get the belly. I not deny, I say no problem. Now my pikin, he say now my pikin, now my pikin, he say now my pikin. Now woman know who give her belly. Understand? I carry this girl. We do things, they come. I don't know say belly with me they sleep. I dey sleep with and without belly. I don't stop my pikin. You understand? Now God, now the great son. So we should continue to confess. Say don't be my pikin. Say you go carry the belly for another man for her side. Because say she love me, she carry the belly come for me. You understand? You know that what I don't do for this girl. Baby shower, no money where I use. As you born, people will see come my party. They know what I see you. Nobody will come that party will tell me say, I not try for that party. You understand? I try. No problem. I see play the record, give you a money I hear them. And I don't hear them, I show them small things.
For the night picking, for the time papa, this picking not the follow mama. Follow this message, this Solomon. Now Nigeria picking for the night picking, for the time papa, this picking not the Solomon picking. All the banner, all the Solomon. Now another man give me belly, not the Solomon give me belly. Follow this message, this Solomon. Not the Solomon then my picking. I have the tell say na picking. Not the Solomon get this picking oh, not being get oh. Now lie, just a lie. Not the Solomon get this picking oh. Not being get at all, not being get picking. Not being get picking. And tomorrow now, where Solomon put and say you get picking for this country tomorrow now. I will go use my mouth tell them. Not the Solomon get picking. I get the learners. Solomon they help me till I born. This picking get biological father. Not the Solomon be papa. You understand? Now me get my mouth when I will take talk. If Solomon say na lie, making have the picking, can't do blood test. Not be get picking oh. Not the Solomon get picking. I'm not born picking for Solomon. Not be Solomon get pikin o. Na another man give me belle. Not be Solomon give me belle. Not be Solomon get this pikin. Forward that give her all this message give her mama. Not be Solomon get pikin wey I carry o. Na Solomon get put am for road say na him get pikin mama na lie o. Not be Solomon get pikin o. Not be Solomon pikin I carry o. Na another man get belle o. Na another man get pikin o. Na another man get pikin and not be Solomon get pikin. If Solomon get put am for him mind say he get pikin, not be pikin Mama, not be that one. The who get pikin don't come see pikin na. Not be Solomon get pikin. Truth of God, Mama, I will say the life for you. I no go dey life for you now. Not be Solomon get pikin. Person wey get pikin, true or false, he don't even see pikin for video call. You understand? He na the pikin. Since 1 week now, this is 2 months. They play for video call. Not be Solomon get pikin. I will call the lie, Mama. I will call. Not because say I like Solomon that time, I love am that time. That's why I say na he get some. You understand? I not tell that boy say I get belle. You understand? That's why I don't tell Solomon say I get. I'm not being get pikin. I will come the lie. Not be Solomon get pikin. If na lie, let Solomon do blood test. Not Solomon na mama. Solomon the time when I take travel that time from Napoli, that time when I take travel, now I say get boyfriend. You understand? Now the boy now get pikin. Not be Solomon get pikin. I don't carry the belle come be Solomon. Not be Solomon get pikin. You understand? Na me who give me belle. You understand? The boy now, he don't come back to the pikin. He and the pikin they play for four every day. Because I know say my yo. Mama, I know the lie for you. I'll call the lie. Okay, it's not truth, it's not lie, the lie. Let's come do DNA test. Not be Solomon get pikin, I'll call the lie for you. I'll call the lie. Okay, if na Solomon get pikin, since then why I not the use for the Solomon say, come tell your pikin, send me money, I take that food though. This one do this small, you want do this small. Now because I know say not being get am, that's why. Mama, you see all those marks wey put my body. So Solomon go serve jail put. I want witness and say he dey inside prison before I will leave am. I want witness and say he dey inside jail before I will leave Solomon. If I don't witness am, I don't confirm am for my spirit korokoro because they don't go sorry, they don't see the place where they say he dey. They don't see the review so they put am the place where they say he dey. They say they go invite am come station very soon. They go invite am, they go invite me. They will still carry the witness wey I see when I carry come, they will still dey there. You understand? Solomon never go jail. You see, our war. Now today I want to celebrate my baby 6 months. So now appointment when I go, now you tell me. If I bath and finish, now me do my house now. I'll still come out now because this is my place where they give me here. I'm not sure that they will bring me people come here. So another place, the place said my friends they don't let me set up. So I will quick come off now, make I go there. I want your dress baby. The money when I tell you do all those things. So now my pikin papa, now I send them come. You understand? Even if family, now my family don't know say you get pikin self. You understand? Because I make her understand say now because say I love Solomon that time. That's why I carry the belle go give her.
I don't go do you anything. I say you don't know where's the kakabo. Understand? No 7 say way. You can break him. Now what I talk be that.
All right, my adorable brothers and sisters, you welcome back to my universe. I wanna reason that my brother's story. I wanna see. Now this one I call some way many men they say mo go do DNA. Mo go do DNA. Who know whether or not the fear of DNA make this girl begin to confess now? Oh Jesus, who know? Just come out, your pack come out, go stay with boy for us. All these ones not be wife, oh. All these ones not be wife. This ones where just they come out, go they stay with boy. More than not vex the responsible ones. Na condition they make crayfish, they burn yash. Waiting 18 years, go they camp with boy for. More talk true now. Waiting 20 years, go they camp with boy for. More talk true. More talk true. Then una go come out now when all these small ants where they are obo not let them put for one place. Una don't go misbehave, come back now, go carry another water, come go give another man. Then they come they use less character, come take the judge responsible women wey sit down for their husband house. They'll say na so all women be. See, Mona not they made this mistake again. All these ones not be women. Mona not they use ants till they compare women. I beg una. Women dey inside women. Women dey inside women. Both say all of us get breasts. Breasts get breasts. Both say all of us get obo. Obo get obo. Shaki dey strong pass Shaki. Una no understand. With all due respect, I beg this one and the hot report, the hot topic when I get. Why I quickly can share with you now. Mona for still know the different things where they sup for social media junction. So I just imagine use this opportunity just to share this story with you now, because I don't know when I'll officially do another video based on I told the day busy. Oh, none of you understand, sha. I told the day busy. I just use this my YouTube, say the while away time, now my hobby. I love to share my opinion with people to see if one person go see reason with me and just change from the way they do something. If one person fit change, hey, una no go know the kind plus wey be to my life. That one of the reason I dey do videos. Some people they say I know they quit they talk my own. I know they quit they talk my own. I too dey late. I know they quit they post. Hey, girl, una no vex. I know the competition with anybody. My own opinion on my own. Anybody opinion on their own. Anytime I dey talk my own, na my own I talk. But nevertheless, thank you very much for your concern. I really do appreciate it. Till I come your way next time, this Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for now? Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my adorable brothers and sisters. Please, my brother, be the change you want and let me be the change I want. Be the change you want, my beautiful sister, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for. I am the change we are looking for. Together, when we all change, they do better thing, remove hand for bad thing. Believe me, our papa and our mama land go be one of the best in the world. Not be saying a lie. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us. Protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate, and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time. Please don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. To the next video. One love.